Everyone, welcome back to another Connecting with Creativity. I'm Alex, and this week we will be making pony bead tree keychains. All right, let's get started. So to get started, we will need 23 pony beads. We'll need a keychain jump ring and 36 inches of our Rex lace and a pair of scissors. All right, let's get started. So we're going to begin by tying a knot like this one with our Rex lace. So to demonstrate, we're going to take our Rex lace and we're going to line up the two loose ends with each other and create a loop with the remaining Rex lace. Now once we have this loop, we're going to wrap our Rex lace around it and pull it tight to create a knot. So again, we're going to line up our two ends, wrap it around, down, and through, and pull tight to create our loop. And you should push it down to the end so that we just barely have an itty bitty loop at the end. Now once we have that, once we have our knot, some people find it easier to tape the Rex lace down while securing our beads. So now we have two strings to work with. So we're going to take our first pony bead and we're going to take one end of our string, and pull it through. And we're going to go through with our second string right in through the pony bead and pull it tight. So there's our top of our tree. Now we're going to take two pony beads for the next one, the next layer. And we're going to take one end, pull it through, take our other end, and go through the other direction through both beads. And pull tightly. And there you go. And now we're going to go on to our 3 beads. So we're going to grab 3 beads and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start on one side, pushing that Rex lace through, grabbing our other end, making sure it goes through all the beads, and pulling it tight. And now we're going to take 4 beads and add them to our first string. And go back through with our second string and pull tightly. Now we're going to grab 5 beads, take our end of our Rex lace, add our beads. Grab our other end, pull it through, and then this time we're going to grab 6 beads and continue the pattern. So sliding them on our first one, grabbing our second end, guiding the Rex lace through the beads, making sure to get each one. Grabbing both ends and pulling. Now this time we're only going to grab 2 pony beads. And we're going to continue the pattern but with just 2 beads. So running this one through and pulling. Using the same method at the beginning of our tree. And now we can cut off the excess. And there you have it. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy keychain tutorial, and I will see you next week for another Connecting with Creativity. Bye!